don't you guys ask me a few questions as I take a few sips of my tea?
Q equals MC, perfect computation.
When we talked about costs, the most important part of the cost that you concentrated on was marginal cost, right? So, I actually gave you a question on marginal cost in the midterm. I may not ask anything on marginal cost, but if I do, it will be a question like this. There are two parts to the total cost. Total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Is marginal cost related to both of these two parts of the total cost? Yes or no?
Yes.
If it's a true-false question, how many people differ with Philip Mayer? Obviously, Philip Mayer is not right. Okay, Ron, can you tell us why? Which part of the total cost is? Which part? Okay, Mr. Mayer, you should talk to Ron Anderson. Maybe give him $1 so he can tell you the right answer.
No, palang answer.
Okay, there you go. Marginal cost is only related to the variable cost. Something which is fixed does not change. Anyone who did not understand that? Marginal cost is defined as change in total cost divided by change in quantity. So it's fixed. If anything is fixed, it does not change. Only the variable cost is related to marginal cost, not the fixed cost. Okay? How to do calculation with, I'm coming to those HSI, Jessica. Let's move chapter by chapter. Okay? So now, there are other important aspects of the cost discussion, and those will be the shape of the average total cost curve is like this, right? U-shaped, ATC. Okay? And this is your quantity, and this is your cost and revenue. Anyone tell me why the shape of the average total cost curve is U-shaped? Very simple question, very simple answer. Why is the average total cost curve U-shaped? What makes this U-shaped? Law of diminishing returns. Very good, Jennifer. Wonderful. So, and then the marginal cost curve will pass the average total cost curve at the lowest point of the ATC. So, this is the marginal total cost, not marginal total. Marginal cost will cut the ATC at the lowest point of the ATC. Okay. Then, of course, in this cost structure, we talked about the returns to a scale. There are three types of returns to a scale, and the flip side of the returns to a scale is that what type of cost industry do we have? Do we have an increasing cost industry? Do we have a constant cost industry? Or do we have a decreasing cost industry, right? So that's the flip side. And we know that most of the industries are decreasing returns to a scale or increasing cost because of the law of diminishing marginal returns. And example-wise, there are only a few industries which exhibit increasing returns or decreasing cost, and some of the examples of those are public utilities, right? So that's as far as the cost chapter goes. Then we came to the market. In the market, of course, we killed perfect competition. We have done it very well. And also, I gave you that discussion board questions more than once. And we are okay with perfect competition. One of the things about perfect competition is the following. Whether they ask a question or not is besides the point. But this is one of the important aspects aspects of understanding perfect competition. Firms are price takers.